I absolutely love the way my press on toes and fingernails are coming out these days. So let me show y'all how I do it. Everything here I got from Amazon. These are, I don't know if you can see the nails on the towel, but these are some sculpted toenails, square. And I got this brush on glue as opposed to the little tube glue that you usually use for press ons. This lasts a really long time. It's very sturdy. I don't usually have any issues with it. So here, I put the nails on and I just get all the extra glue residue off of my skin with some alcohol. I am in no way a professional at all, but I'm just a girl who is just trying to explore some new things, save a little coin or whatever. And I think I do, pretty decent. So I'm trying out this brand called Apres or Appraise. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it, but I got a bunch of different gel colors from them. So this is how my toes turned out. I got that UV lamp from Amazon as well, but I think I did pretty good. This is my first time doing it this way. I usually get some press on French tips for my hands and my feet, but I decided to, polish them myself this time. And these are all the other colors that I bought from them, as well as the square nails that you're about to see. I got that from their site as well. All in all, this was a super easy process. It wasn't difficult at all, and for this to be my first time doing it this way, I think I did a pretty good job, y'all. I don't know. I think I'm getting pretty good at it. But everything was very simple and easy. Let me know what you think.